This is the Chapel Waterfall at Dogwood Canyon. They do weddings and events here. There's the sun. So pretty. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe for more.